Good morning, Zebra Skimmers Tech Support. This is Kristen speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I've been thinking about using the Z17 Muscle Coalescer for all our CNC machines. Is it possible to move it around and use it on multiple sumps throughout the day?
Great question. The Z17 Muscle Coalescer is indeed a rugged and efficient solution for individual machine sumps. However, it's not designed for frequent air intake, which can happen if you're moving it from machine to machine. And you can potentially burn out the motor prematurely unless you keep it primed with fluid.
Oh, I see.
It's also time consuming to reinstall the pump and intake attachment at each use point, so labor costs are also a factor.
Yeah, labor is a big issue for us.
And one last thing, you don't want to potentially infect a sump with bacteria from a different sump if the coalescer isn't completely clean between uses.
So, what would you recommend for someone if the budget's tight?
We've got you covered. There are different accessory options for the coalescer that can bring down the cost, depending on your machine's needs. And yes, although we don't recommend it, you can use the coalescer on different machines easily using a drum dolly accessory. Just know the risks of doing so.
Thanks, that clears things up. It sounds like we need to consider our workflow and maybe look into the hammerhead attachment option for our needs.
You're welcome. We want to ensure you get the most out of your investment while keeping your coolant clean and your machines running smoothly. Feel free to reach out or visit our website if you have more coolant questions or need any further assistance.